I'm Jennifer at Home, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today I'm participating in a collaboration. This collaboration video is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. This collaboration is celebrating At Home with Lisa. Lisa is celebrating her 6,000 subscriber. So the hashtag for this collaboration is 6K Celebration. To go see all of the other channels participating in this collaboration, just use the hashtag 6K Celebration. To celebrate Lisa's 6,000 subscribers, we are doing tablescape celebrations. We are going to be doing tablescapes that are a version of tablescapes that Lisa has done on her channel in the past. Today, I'm doing a black, white, and green theme. This is a theme of a version that Lisa did on her channel. I'm recreating it in my own style to show you another version of this design. This is the version of tablescape that Lisa did on her channel. Look how beautiful it is in the green, black, and white. For my tablescape today, I'm going to be using the black and white tablecloth. I think it really ties in with the lovely green. I'm going to be adding in a lovely planter with green and pink flowers. I've also tied a green and white checked ribbon on this beautiful vase. I'm just going to be adding some simple white dinner plates to go with my tablescape. A simple white napkin rolled with the silverware will be perfect, tied with the green and white coordinating checked bow. These lovely little printed garden plates will be a wonderful addition to my dinner plate. They'll be perfect for the salad. This lovely green glass dessert stand will be perfect for the dessert I'm serving, and it coordinates so lovely with the green flowers and the green checked ribbon. Now let's take a look back at the beautiful design done by Lisa on her channel, At Home with Lisa, and another look back at the design I recreated. I really appreciate you being here today. I had so much fun doing this collaboration, and I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor once again for celebrating Lisa on her wonderful 6K celebration. I'll have a link below to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel and At Home with Lisa. I'll have the other channels listed below as well. I really appreciate you being here today, and I'm so glad that you were able to visit, and I would hope that you would subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.